World Cup 2023.
Yeah, listen, it's always great to see the guys from the Sharks that represent South Africa. We're obviously really proud of them. And they've been really good as well. Obviously lost that game to Ireland, but I think they have, again, a good opportunity to win another World Cup. It will be a tough quarterfinal against France, but I believe if there's one team that can beat France at home, it is the Boks, and we'll definitely be rooting for not just the Springboks, but for the Sharks players that play in that Springbok team as well, and hopefully they can make it 2 World Cups in a row. Yeah, listen, Bongi is one of those natural leaders, and he's always willing to work really hard. And I think it's great for him to get that game time now that Malcolm is injured as well. I think there will obviously be a bit more pressure on him in terms of the fact that he's the only recognised hooker, and that somebody like Dion Fourie is on the bench for him. So they will probably ask him to play most of the 80 minutes against France. And I think he's definitely capable of it. And knowing Bongi, he's a team guy, and he will always do whatever the team needs from him to be successful. So it's great to see him on the field. It's great to see that he gets so much game time and in that leadership position as well for the Boks, because I think he's definitely capable of it.
Is World Cup 2023.